So I've been working on the headlights and tail lights. I've replaced all the bulbs in the tail lights, and they work a little bit better than they used to, which is good. The headlights, I'll show you separately. I need indicators and don't have the parking lights at all, so I've got a plan for that. I'll show you that later. Now the wiring at the front of the car, the wiring everywhere is a mess, but the wiring at the front of the car, there's quite a lot of bodgery gone on before, so I've repaired some of that and taken out some unnecessary connections and extra bits of wire. However, in doing that, the side lights or parking lights just stopped working completely. And I couldn't find out why. The fuse blew, changed the fuse, haven't come back, can't get them to work. So what I think is happening is that there's something wrong with this. This is the headlight switch. I had to take the dashboard apart to get it out. There's more horrors behind the dashboard, but that's another story. So what I'm going to do is take the switch apart. I've tested it a bit and it seems, I don't think it's working properly. I think it's just corroded, and I think if I clean it, it will probably be okay. So that's what I'm going to do.